Welcome guys! So today's video is dedicated for two kinds of person. The first one, if you are an exceptional trader and you want to share, let's say, your trading strategies or the stocks you're buying and gain some royalties out of it. And at the same time, if you're someone looking for some ideas, let's say you just jumped on crypto and said, I have no idea what to buy, so many tokens, where should I start? And to help both of you, we're going to have a look on Nested. So what's the idea of these DeFi projects? It's a place that you can build, manage, and monetize your portfolio. So let's see, introducing a new DeFi experience. And what's nice here, it's a social trading platform. So you can create portfolios and that people can copy your portfolio. And if someone copies your portfolio and say use it, you get some royalties. And at the same time, you can just have a look and see all the portfolios out there. You can see traders that have been investing a while and they're positive. You can see who's losing, who's not. So it's also a nice way to see what's happening. So let's launch application, and the website is going to open. You land it on your portfolio. So first thing you gotta do is connect your wallet. So you go connect your wallet, you select network. So let's go with Polygon. And yeah, that's something nice. They work on Polygon, Optimism, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Ethereum. So let's go Polygon, MetaMask. Let's connect our wallet. Next, connect. Yes, sign the message. Once you sign the message, you are in. And then you got here the Explorer. So the Explorer, you have a nice search filter that you can select here. They already have something sorted like trading portfolios, and you can select the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. You can select the network, and here it shows the portfolios. You can see who is the trader or the portfolio owner, the creation date, the last 24, and you can see the full performance and which tokens they are holding on the wallet. So let's say let's open here, DeFi Market Tops 2022, creation date, the 27th of March. If we open this portfolio here, it's going to show you that right now with the market crash, it's all-time less 65%, and you can see all the assets on this portfolio. So they got BNB, Link, so Luna Classic, Curve, and Wrapped Ethereum, and that's this portfolio is held on Polygon. And you don't see exactly the amount of money on the balance, but you can see the percentage. So that's nice to follow up. Then you can apply it to whenever quantity of token they have. And you can go to the history and you can see everything that happens. So like this is the wallet that the person created and never changed it, because if they had sold or swapped or done some tokens, you'd have seen here on history. So you just see that I found the wallet and stay like that. And let's say, okay, I find it super cool. You can click copy. And then if you click copy, you can select your budget. And then let's say I'm gonna use Matic and I have 0.9. So then you put it here. And as it's too low, I think it's a bit messed up. But and then automatically what the portfolio is going to do is going to take the balance I want to create, and it's going to swap with the correct percentage according to that portfolio. And then I can just create portfolio, and then I'm gonna have it on my own portfolios. So like this, I just copy it from that person. Or at the same time, I can create my own. So let's have a look here. And Matic, okay, so let's say I want to create from 0 to 4. Continue, and then you select the tokens you want to add to your order. So you can add it here. There's like Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's everything. So like you can create whatever. So let's say I want to create a portfolio USDC. You can select the percentage. For that, you need to add a second token. So let's say I want 50-50 or I want 60-20, and then you can go and add up to 12 tokens. And then once you're happy, you just go to continue. You add a name for your portfolio. So let's say crypto portfolio. It's like a tag if you want to add hashtag. So hashtag here. You do if you want to adjust the price slippage, tolerance, log that, you apply. and you create, you're going to sign a message on MetaMask. Yes, confirm. And once your portfolio is created, you can invite your friends, you can share social media and everything. And if people start copying your portfolio, you can earn some royalties out of it. Super cool, right? And then you just close it here. And then from there, there's going to be the crypto portfolio creation date. You can see the amount on it and all the information. And then if you want to swap some stuff on it, let me close it. So click here on the three dots. Let's say that you want to sell everything, you can sell. Or if you want to add tokens, you can increase quantity of tokens, you can swap tokens, or you can sell everything. So here you can just take the action. So let's say I want to sell, then you just have to decide. So like you'll be selling from crypto portfolio and to with destination. So you can, let's say, go back to my wallet, you select whatever you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell that, max, and then you hit sell. And again, you just transfer it back, you confirm, and tokens will get out of the portfolio and back to your wallet. You see here, there's no crypto portfolio. There's just 14 cents here. There's just the USDC. The Ether is not there anymore. And if you go to the history of it, you can see here, portfolio inception, today, that amount, and same date, and remove that amount from the wallet. And then that's how you manage your portfolio. And if someone copies your portfolio, here it's where you're going to be able to claim your royalties and see all the relevant information. And depending on your trading volume on the platform, you can get some NST, that's the token from Nested, and say, but what does this token does? And if you jump to tokenomics, you can see here, I bring the Nested token, total supply, and what's the use case. So you'll be able to vote on proposals from the next protocol, and you'll be able to staking rewards, boosting portfolio return, VIP tires, premium contents, and tips. So you have a bunch of use case for NST. And if you check here, governance will have a Rubik launch. And opening the roadmap of Nested. If you see here, we got all the roadmap, everything they had planned since 2021. And if you go down, you can see everything that they created. And there we are, Nested Lego 1 and 2. And the architecture, royalties and any tokens, expanding more networks. And now we are at the Playmobil phase that you can see everything that happened. And then there's Nested Tetris, that's 3 and 4. That's they'll be creating generated passive income, on-ramp and off-ramp, dollar cost averaging, trading competitions. And then for the beginning of next year, we're planning to launch the Rubik, and that's where the governance will be live. I think bring the most of the use of the NST tokens. And then with that, we'll be able to borrow money, token generation event, like the governance, and more trading competitions. And like that, they have a bunch of cool things planned on their roadmap. So yeah, a fun project for those wanting to get started in crypto, to see what others are doing, to see if others earn profit, and for traders as well. If you're proud of the assets you own, that can be a way that you can share and not simply get your word for granted, but you can create your portfolio and say, look, this is my portfolio, and that's how I'm doing here. And of course, there's the Nested Twitter. So it's Nested5 that you can just jump over here, follow it, and follow up on news and see how this project is going to evolve along the time. That was it about Nested, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and see you next time. See you next time.